All right, y'all, here goes part 2. My baby is awake, so if you hear noise in the background, that is probably her. All right, we have already identified subject, verb, direct object, and indirect object. Now, I added a rule here. You can't lay low in Espanol. That's going to make more sense when we look at our example sentences, but just know you can't ever use lay or lace in front of lo, la, los, or las. You're going to change it to a se. So you can't lay low in Espanol. You have to change the lay or lace to a se. So, once you have identified your direct object and your indirect object, you are going to replace it with one of your pronouns. Now, un libro, we know it is singular because there's no S, and it is masculine because it ends in an O. So our singular masculine pronoun is lo. So when you're breaking apart your sentences, I would just write it right underneath it. All right? What about las manzanas? We know it's plural because it ends in an S, and it's feminine because of that A. So we're going to replace las manzanas with las. Now, if you have an indirect, I know that's so sloppy, but I'm writing from the side. If you have an indirect object pronoun, you're going to use one of these to replace it. You will only use me for a mí, and you will only use te if it says a ti. If it's any singular person, a Paco, a él, a mi amigo, then you're going to use le. If it's for somebody and I, nos, vosotros is os, and if it's any plural group of people that is receiving the direct object, you will use les. So with a mí, we are going to use me. So, when you go to rewrite your sentence with your pronoun, you're going to get rid of this, and get rid of this, all right? So, let me show you what your sentences look like. Try not to read ahead. Let's just take this piece by piece here. All right. Well, you can see my ring light? No. All right. When you go to rewrite your sentence, this is the order it's going to go in. Subject, direct object pronoun, indirect object pronoun, and verb. All right, so, oh wait, subject, sorry, I did this backwards. Indirect object pronoun, then direct object pronoun, then your verb. Indirect before direct always. All right, so think about the sentences you just had. Oh, I got them right here. Yo tengo un libro. We replaced un libro with lo. Since we don't have an indirect object pronoun, we went subject, direct object pronoun, verb. Yo lo tengo. You always want to put your indirect and direct object pronouns right next to each other in front of the verb, or if there are two verbs, you can attach it to the second. Okay, so if you're using the present progressive, if you're using ir plus a plus infinitive, or any double verb form, you could attach it to the second. So we followed our order: subject, direct object pronoun, verb. Now let's look at this one. We replaced las manzanas, so we took out that whole phrase, and we replaced a mí. We have my parents, mis padres, me las dan. My parents give the apples to me. You're okay. Subject, indirect object pronoun, direct object pronoun, verb. Always follow the formula. All right, now, the last one is an example of you can't lay low in Espanol. If we look at the sentence, yo doy un libro a él. I give a book to him. We have our subject, I, our verb, give. Un libro is our direct object, so we'll underline that once. A él, what? You're fine. Is our indirect object pronoun. All right? So when we go to replace them, we replace un libro with lo because it's singular masculine, and we replace a él. You want to come up here? You want to come up here? You want me to take it? We replace a él with le. All right, I have to get this in quick because the recorder will cut me off. If we were to rewrite it, it would be like this. Yo le lo doy. You can't lay low in Espanol. We changed the le to se. So you keep it subject, indirect, direct, and then verb. Hopefully that helps clarify things a little bit. Let me know if you still have questions. I would love to help you. Have a super day.